Welcome to the middle school at LACAS, a journey filled with excitement, discovery, and academic excellence. At LACAS, our modern science labs encourage hands-on learning, where students explore and experiment. Whether it's mixing chemicals, examining specimens, or testing new ideas, we make science real, engaging, and fun. Through interactive learning tools and personalized pathways, we create an environment where every student thrives. Creativity flourishes in our art programs, where students explore diverse mediums and learn to express their ideas visually. These experiences help them build confidence and discover their unique artistic voices. At LACAS, we believe in the power of sports. Our state-of-the-art facilities and structured programs ensure students grow physically and emotionally, instilling values that last a lifetime. Beyond academics, our extracurricular activities, debates, theater, and public speaking help students develop critical life skills like communication, leadership, and collaboration. These experiences shape confident, well-rounded individuals ready to tackle any challenge. Middle school bridges the gap between childhood and adolescence, shaping students' academic habits, emotional resilience, and sense of identity. Give your child the LACAS middle school experience, where education is more than just learning. It's about shaping futures.